Hello friends, welcome to our channel Homoeopathy the Healing Power. Friends, our house is incomplete without first aid box. First aid box contains medicines and bandages which are very helpful in acute emergency conditions. Friends, in this video I am sharing with you homeopathic first aid box, or you can also call it as homeopathic first aid kit. In this video I am going to discuss all essential homeopathic medicines with its uses in acute emergency conditions occurring in our daily life. For example, indigestion, cold Choriza, pain, injury, burns and many other complaints. So friends, watch this video till the end, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Like this video, share this video with your friends and family members. So let's get started. Let's start with our first complaint, and that is abdominal pain. The homeopathic medicine which is indicated for this complaint is Colocynth. Colocynth is indicated in abdominal pain whenever pain is felt in whole abdomen. Gripping type of pain is felt, compelling the patient to bend double. Abdomen is very sensitive to touch. This pain is worse by eating or drinking something. Patient feels better by bending double or applying hard pressure on the abdomen. Friends, we have already posted a video on homeopathic medicine Colocynth visual drug picture. I am posting the link in the description box and in the I button. Please check it out. The second common condition we see in our day-to-day life is cold Choriza, and homeopathic medicine indicated for this condition is Allium Cepa. Allium Cepa is indicated in cold Choriza whenever patient complains of severe watery acrid, that is hot and burning discharge from nose, and there is excessive watery discharge from both the eyes. Along with this, patient complains of sneezing, headache and body ache. Patient feels better in cold open air. Friends, we have already posted a video on homeopathic medicine Allium Cepa visual drug picture. I am posting the link in the description box and in the I button. Please check it out. The third common acute emergency condition is diarrhea, and the homeopathic medicine for diarrhea is aloes, Aloe-Socratina. Aloes is indicated in diarrhea whenever there is gripping pain with rumbling sound in the abdomen before, during and after stool. Stool is watery and offensive. Excessive sweating and severe weakness is present after passing the stool. The complaints are increased after eating or drinking something, and complaints are reduced after passing the stool. The fourth acute condition is injury, and the homeopathic medicine useful in injury is Arnica. Arnica is useful for blunt type of injury. The affected area is bluish blackish in color. Sore, lame, bruised feeling all over the affected part is seen. Friends, there are different types of injuries such as lacerated injury, mechanical injury, capillary injury, and in homeopathy there are different medicines for different types of injuries. And friends, we have already posted a video on our YouTube channel First Aid Homeopathic Medicines for Injuries. I am posting the link in the description box and in the I button. Please check it out. You can add all these medicines in your first aid box for different types of injuries. The fifth common acute condition is mouth ulcer, and homeopathic medicine for mouth ulcer is borax. Borax is indicated in mouth ulcers whenever the ulcers are dark reddish in color with severe pain and heat sensation in the mouth. The complaints are worse while eating, especially salty and sour food. When borax is given in these conditions, it will give wonderful results. The sixth acute condition is vomiting, and homeopathic medicine for vomiting is Ipecac. Ipecac is given in vomiting whenever nausea is present constantly and continuously even after vomiting. Friends, here there is a striking feature seen, and that is even after vomiting, patient is thirstless and the tongue is clean. Ipecac, when given in this situation, it will not only cure the vomiting, but it will also remove the constant nausea which patient is suffering from. The seventh acute but very emergency condition is burns, and homeopathic medicine for burns is Cantharides. Friends, Cantharides is indicated in burns whenever there is severe burning sensation with terrible pain over the affected area, which is worse by touch and relieved by cold application. Friends, external application of homeopathic medicine Cantharides will prevent formation of vesicles over the burnt area, and it will also remove the burn scar. Friends, we have already posted a video on homeopathic medicine Cantharides visual drug picture. I am posting the link in the description box and in the I button. Please check it out. Friends, eighth acute condition is indigestion, and homeopathic medicine for indigestion is Nuxomica. Nuxomica is indicated whenever following symptoms are present. Patient complains of flatulence, that is excessive accumulation of gases in the abdomen. The abdomen is bloated and there is tightness, pressure feeling in the abdominal region seen. Sore and bitter irritations are present. Nausea and vomiting are constantly present. Nausea is not relieved even by vomiting. Sometimes there is spasmodic cramp-like pain in the abdomen seen. Friends, our ninth homeopathic medicine is a greatest homeopathic antiseptic. As we all know, our first aid box is incomplete without an antiseptic medicine. So the greatest homeopathic antiseptic medicine is Calendula. Calendula is indicated for injuries like clean cut injury, surgical cuts, lacerated wounds, and external application of Calendula will promote rapid healing and it will prevent suppuration. Friends, we have already posted a video on greatest homeopathic antiseptic medicine Calendula. Friends, I am sure this video will be an eye-opener video for you all. After watching this video, you will come to know why Calendula is called as greatest homeopathic antiseptic, and along with injuries, what are other cases when we prescribe Calendula. So friends, I am posting the link of that video in the description box and in the I button. So please watch that video. 10th acute condition is pain, a very emergency condition. And the best homeopathic medicine for pain is Phos. Friends, pain may occur anywhere in the body. It may occur, for example, just like pain in abdomen, pain in back, pain in extremities, or it may be a nerve pain, muscle pain, or cramps in the body. And Phos is indicated whenever these pains are worse by motion after exposure to cold air, and patient feels better by covering the affected part by warmth and by application of pressure. It may be just by pressing the affected area by hands. Friends, we have already posted a video on homeopathic medicine Phos visual drug picture. I am posting the link in the description box and in the I button. Please watch that video. After watching that video, you will come to know that why Phos is useful in pain and why Phos is called as the goddess of homeopathic matra medica. So friends, this is all about homeopathic first aid box. Like this video, share this video with your friends and family members so that they can also keep a homeopathic first aid box at their home. Subscribe the channel to meet again with another interesting topic. Thank you for watching.